Channel. Hello YouTube family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Imani and you are watching Faith by Design. Today I am doing a cash stuffing of a few of my challenges that need attention. So if this sounds like something you are interested in, please keep watching. Everyone is doing well. I'm not even going to say that it's not been a while since I recorded, but it has been such a busy season and I'm so happy to finally be able to have some time to upload a video. Graduation season is in full swing, so we just finished getting our Evite sent out and establishing the location that we're going to be doing her graduation dinner. My middle daughter is graduating from high school. She's a senior. So just getting all of that taken care of. And then there's Teacher Appreciation Week next week. So if you are a teacher, happy Teacher Appreciation Week. It may depend on what county you're in and what state, but for us, it's next week. So you may hear some beeping in the background. I don't know what my neighbors are doing, but let's get into this video. Okay, so we are cash stuffing in real money, $100. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. And then in prop money, we have $500 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So first up, let's stuff we're going to go over this $1,000 savings challenge. This is my emergency fund that I'm trying to add to. We stuffed $80 on last Friday. So that is bringing our emergency fund to, and this is adding to what we have in the bank already, but I'm trying to build this up. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 175. And I do have to add prop money, that's right. So I colored it in, but I still have to add $80. So 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, so we are adding $80 to this envelope. So now we have the $255. So we have $255 in our emergency fund, $1,000 savings challenge. And we are going to use some of our tax refund that we received this year, yay, to stuff the larger envelopes for the savings challenge. So we have the $500 here that will be used to stuff this challenge. And this is going towards my oldest daughter's first car. So we're not going to stuff exactly 99, 98, 97, 96, and 95. We're going to stuff 100 each. We're going to go ahead and add $500 to this challenge. I'm very, very excited to be stuffing these larger envelopes. Please don't pay attention to my coloring. Okay, we are finished with that. I always color in the same color if I do it on the same day. So that's why all 5 of those are purple. All right, so here we are. We are using the actual box in order to stuff this. I'm so excited to be filling out these high numbers because it's not often that I'm able to do it, but when I get a large sum of money like that, I definitely like to tackle the big numbers. And these envelopes were created by Budget with Cat, this whole box. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and stuff these here. Okay. All right, it's filling up rather nicely. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay. The Skyler Savings Challenge is the next challenge we will be doing. And I believe we are going to add $40 to this challenge. And Skyler will be helping me today. Come on over. All right, so we need to add $40 to this challenge. And I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna color in. I'm just gonna mark it so you know which ones we're coloring in, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna color in the 18 and the 12 because 18 plus 12 is 30. And then we're going to do 7 plus 3 because that's 10. So 30 plus 10 is 40. Okay?
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. I don't think 8 and 12 means 30. No.
18 plus 12 is 30.
No, it's not.
It is. You want to see? Look. 18 plus 12 is 30.
Oh.
And then 7 plus 3 is 10.
10.
7 plus 3 is 10, right?
Can I tell them my poem, please?
Your poem?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
And remember, if you have a toy like this, hit the subscribe button.
What if they don't have a toy like that? Because mostly adults that watch me. But okay, if you have a toy like that, hit the subscribe button. Okay, so we're going to add 10, 20, 30, 40 into our challenge. So you want to see how much you have so far saved?
Yes.
Ooh, let's see. Okay. You have 20, 40. Now these bills are raggedy. It's okay. You have 20, 40, 60, 80. And then we count by tens. 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 41. Now we count by ones. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 150, 151, 152, 153, $153. I think that's what we have. I hope that's what we have.
I will be able to get it.
No, this is going into your savings account, young lady. Okay.
Lady.
Young girl. Okay, let's go ahead and color. Which ones do you want to color? We're coloring 7
And 3.
7 and 3 make 10.
Don't say it out loud.
Don't say it out loud. Why not?
I don't know.
Another 10 to the 8, you get 30. All right, looks great. So we are moving along rather nicely in this challenge. Thank you, Skyler.
No.
Now we're going to do, let's see, we have 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Yes, we have 60 left. So we're going to add 40 in car, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. This one, $700 savings challenge. So 40 in car. And I have all this change because at first I was going to do something different and I changed my mind. So yeah, I was going to roll the dice and do the home binder, but I said, no, we'll do that the next time. So I have all this change. And this is going to be used for car maintenance. At least we got one row finished. And we're starting another row. We also added some of our tax refund to our car maintenance account, which is in Capital One online. So we are making progress with trying to bulk this up. So we should have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20 in our $700 savings challenge. All right, so we should have $20 left. And I'll probably just try to exchange some of these bills so we won't have such a bulky amount in our envelope, even though we shouldn't have much in our Christmas because we haven't started really saving for Christmas. Yep, we haven't. We only have 20, so I guess for now this will be fine. All right, so 20. So let's color in. I guess we will start on the star. We'll color in 2 of the stars. Color in 2 parts to the star. All right, so Christmas has 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And I will try to make change maybe off camera just so I can get rid of all this, but we'll see. All right. So we are done with our cash stuffing. So thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry for the shadows. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. My plan is in the way. But anyway, thank you all so much. And I hope everyone has a great week. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Teacher Appreciation Week. And then there's also Nurses Week. I forgot about that. That is coming up as well. So shout out to all of the wonderful ladies that are nurses, teachers, moms, aunts, grandmoms, etc. We appreciate you. Thank you. And I will catch you all in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.